everyone and welcome to my channel Shades of Megs. Today is day 4 of our trip and we are heading back again to Germany, taking romantic route. It's not really romantic, but it's Roman route, which is called as romantic route, and there will be number of castles and churches that we'll see along the route. I don't know how many of them because there is not any fixed plan. We'll just make a plan on the fly. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so now we have reached Frusen.
Yes,
That's our
Frusen.
first stop, and we'll have a coffee break here and we'll look at the center of this beautiful village.
Yes. So it's the start or end. Actually, it's end if you start from Würzburg.
Germany, yeah.
Then it's the end of the romantic
Trip.
route. So where you have all the Roman
But for us
castles.
it's the start because we are
Yes.
starting from Austria.
Yes.
People wanna say that love is just two-way crazy. You know they may be right, 'cause love has got a hold on me. You've been on my mind all the time, obsessively.
We got this round circle chocolate biscuit something. Looks yummy.
Hold on me. You've been on my mind all the time, obsessively. Tied all up.
Okay, so now we have taken our second halt on the romantic route and we are in Landsberg am Lech.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but it's a small beautiful town, and now we are going towards the river because it seems to be really beautiful, right?
Yes. We will see.
Love has got a hold on me. Hold on me, hold on me. Things you do so easily. Nothing in this world to let me free. Hold on me.
So what's your plan, Varga, after this?
Starting a new channel, the Democratic.
So going to give competition to Azam, the Republic.
Yes.
Please partnership with Ravish Kumar and
Sure.
for Hindi channel.
For Hindi channel, Mr. Ravish Kumar, along with Barkhadat from the Democrats.
To be how the way things are, your love has got a hold on me.
So now we have taken a stop at this petrol station. We'll have our dinner and then we'll go to Würzburg city. We'll stay tonight in Würzburg, and then tomorrow the plan is to get up really early and have a quick tour of the city and then head back to Netherlands via Frankfurt. So keep following my journey and give a thumbs up if you like my video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Shades of Megs. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.